Today, we'll venture into the realm of AI web design. I'll be collaborating with different AI web builders to create a web design from scratch. We'll see how intuitive AI can be and where a human touch might still be necessary. I tested 4 tools, all of which promise to take our content and automatically generate a sleek website. Let's dive in and see how it works and what kind of designs it can produce.
First tool, Durable.com. First, I'm giving the AI information like industry, location, and business name. All right, Durable has generated the first version of my site. Let's take a look together and see what it's coming up with. The basic look and feel resembles a student project for some reason. Here is what I see that went wrong. The font combination. The title is in a handwriting style and the body content is in a sans serif modern style. They normally don't go together. The logo feels more like a casual icon. The color scheme doesn't look sleek. There are some accessibility issues like the button and the background not having enough contrast. The button style are not consistent. Now I want to customize it. Let me try to regenerate this session. It's a very similar level of web design without much improvement with this version. Well, the problem is that the AI didn't really learn what I want. Instead, it's giving me very general themes from the internet. There's no place for me to interact with it and import more information that might be helpful for the web design. Since the AI didn't learn all the information, of course, it will not have a customized web design for me. The editor is just like other web builders that's on the market. Designer has to put a lot of time to modify the site. Here's my score. Customization, 1 star. Style, 1 star. Manual effort, 4. In summary, this AI is performing as a basic theme picker. Now, let's see Teleport. Similar to the last tool, I give some basic information. I'm a designer wanting to build a static website. I've used Webflow before. I can see Generate with AI as an option. This tool has a prompter where I can input more information, which is so exciting. Let me input this prompt. Create a sleek and modern marketing page for a premium headset by Boss. The design should reflect the cutting-edge technology, It's a bit of struggle to make my prompt under 500 characters, but let's ignore this limit for now. Now I can pick the color scheme, which creates more customization than the last tool. Can I do a dark theme? That would be cool. Nope, nothing happened. Let's just go with what I have. The layout here feels more professional than the last one. Okay, once I'm in the editor, I don't see the AI assistant anymore. I'm on my own again, dealing with a traditional web builder. Here's my score. Customization, 3 stars. Style, 3 stars. Manual effort, 4. In summary, this AI is performing as a more advanced theme picker. Third tool, Wix. Wix is the most known among all these brands. Let's see if there's anything new. Input basic information again, choose an online store, and recommend sounds fine to me. Give it a name, pick a theme, and now I have 3 choices. This is nice to have. More personal choice means more flexibility for designers. The layout looks identical, just the color scheme is different. There's no need to add more pages for testing purpose, so skip for now. Let's take a look at what I have. Again, I'm looking for an AI assistant and try to collaborate. It looks like I'm on my own again. Once I click page design, I thought I could go back to where the AI is at, but this leads me to change the theme. The style of Wix is definitely better. The typography feels relevant to the modern web standard, but there are some accessibility issues again. The content title and the background don't have enough contrast. Here's my score. Customization, 3 stars. Style, 4 stars. Manual effort, 4. In summary, This AI is performing as an advanced theme picker, the same as the last tools with better style. Lastly, B12, a new AI web design tool. Input my business name and description, and that's it. That's all the information the AI knows. I doubt it will have a good design for us. Let me change the category to web design. Now let's take a look. The general layout looks clean, but again, it's a pretty general theme the AI is using. Somehow it's very text heavy. The primary call to action style is using an underline, which is not great. I looked around, there's no editor at all. That means the AI helps you decide on everything based on 5 fields on the left. Here's my score. Customization, 1 star. Style, 2 stars. Manual effort, not available. In summary, I'm not sure what this AI is performing as. Maybe a fixed, non-iterative design project.
As you see, it's a collaborative effort between AI and human creativity. Currently, AI web design tools are more like a theme picker. In my honest opinion, it takes more time for me to adjust the theme the AI picked for me than if I picked a fitting theme by myself. There's no real collaboration happening once the theme is produced. What I imagine is that AI can adjust the design based on my prompt like Midjourney. Wix has promised to implement the prompt feature into their web design process. I can't wait to try it when it comes out. So, what do you think of the final product? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss the future of AI in design.